Hi there, Jimmy House with A1 Vacuum Sales and Service, Louisville, Kentucky, right here in the Highlands. Today I'm going to be showing you guys the Riccar R27 Deluxe. To get started here, we have our on-off button right here at our fingertips. Button right below it is going to transition from a high speed to a low speed if you have too much suction on that one little area rug, drapes, fabric, things like that. You can also hit that same button to turn the brush roll off when you're ready to go to hard surfaces. So it's all convenient right there at your thumb. Right below it, you have a 2-in-1 tool. With the brushes on, you're going to use this for dusting. You can slide that off for your upholstery cleaning for couches, steps, fabrics, things like that. You have the crevice tool that sits right here on the side. That's going to be great for all your crevices, hard to reach areas. This has a 11-foot cleaning reach telescopic wand. Can get up high, can get up low, can do steps, things like that. You can also take off the wand, put your tool right there on the end of the hose. Has a 35-foot cord, so you can almost reach one end of the room to the next. It's a very long cord. You have a top loading bag, which I love because when you put the new bag back in, once you put it in, you know it's nice and sealed, you know you have it on right, because if not, the bag will not close. Right underneath, you have a secondary charcoal filter that's going to help eliminate all your odors. So you run the hospital grade HEPA filter over here. Hospital grade. Charcoal helps eat up odors, and that sits right underneath the bag area. Underneath the machine, we have a metal brush roll, replaceable strip brushes. This also has a lifetime belt, so the belt will never stretch or break. If you accidentally go over something, no big deal. The machine will stop, you remove the object, and then you turn the machine on and off, and it resets the belt. Very, very nice feature. LED headlights right here in the front. Soft rubber wheels for the hard surfaces, but also 360-degree caster wheels. That's going to help you maneuver around furniture, but also it helps you transition into hardwood, one rug to another if it's a different thickness, things like that. So there's no height adjustment on this vacuum, but it transitions like it does. So it's almost like a self-adjusting transition for you. This has a 3-year warranty. If this are the features that interest you, like I said, for a lot of different area rugs, water wall carpets, hard surfaces with a lot of different features, this vacuum could be for you. Come on in, test it out, test it side by side with all the other Riccars, and we'll help you pick out the perfect vacuum for you. Thank you so much. Appreciate you. Have a good day.